Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sandhya Khedekar. How are you all? Today we will discuss on one more new topic, that is mental health. In last video, I had shared with you that how to identify the potential in you and how we can discover ourselves. Today we will go one step little ahead, that is how to maintain a good mental health. Because when we are dealing with so many situations in our life, it might be a personal life, it might be a professional life, our career, family, friends, relationships. So everything we have to cope up with without stress. So stress plays a major role in our life. So how to have that good mental health in life? I'll be sharing few slides with you. So let me share my screen with you all. Here in these slides, you can see that when we think of mental health, so every human being on this earth needs a good mental health. And some people, they are born having that, we can say, a skill to handle their stress very easily in a positive manner. So did you know stress is the cause of or contributes to most human illness? So whenever we see that people are ill or they are having certain kind of illness, the major role behind all that illness is by stress taken by that individual, because stress can act as a motivator. Some people do their best work under stress. So there is a stress that when we take it in a positive manner as a challenge, so some people can do better in life. I'll give you an example. Examination stress. Those students who take that stress in a positive manner, they succeed in better way. And those students who take it in negative manner, they might fail, or they will always have that kind of feeling that they might go in depression, or they feel mentally very weak. Stress is a challenge for everyone, but the ways in which it affects behavior are highly individualistic. So if we have a similar kind of stress, for example, there is a people of group of people of 10, and the similar stress is there. For example, let us take a career. So career stress is there. So all those 10 people in a group, they will take it in a different way. So there is always a way to find out the measures on it. And let me give you one definition of mental illness. Mental illness is a disturbance in thoughts and emotions that decreases a person's capacity to cope with the challenges of everyday life. So don't think that if you have stress and if you go into depression, you are mentally ill. It's not like that. Mental illness is a very higher stage when we can't cope up with the stress. Positive mental stress, health and stress. Let us see that what it is exactly. People who are mentally healthy, what distinguishes the mentally healthy from someone who is not mentally healthy is their resilience. Resilience is a person's ability to recapture their sense of emotional wellness within a reasonable time using a variety of coping strategies. An example of resilience is if your partner breaks up with you, are you able to overcome this emotionally and eventually? So, how you take that stress, it is very, very essential, my dear friends. So what to do in this case? So what can be done? Let us have expectation is equal to 0. What do you expect from your partner in your relationship, from your family, from your career, from your life? Let us have expectation is equal to 0. When you have less expectation or no expectation, you get less stress and you don't go in depression. Then second thing is control your anger. There might be such situation that when you get angry easily, so controlling your anger is one of the way to control the stress. Then don't have negative approach in your life. Always think positively that whatever happens to you, it is definitely going to give you a positive life in future. Then keep yourself more busy in work. Those people who get stress of small things, if you occupy your major time in work and if you can balance these things, so it will give you less stress. Keep your face always smiling. Ask yourself that last time when you smiled. If you have not smiled for a longer time, smile now. So this is the right time to smile. And who is stopping you from smiling? So don't worry, be happy. That kind of attitude you must have. Then speak slowly. Sometimes people speak so loudly that their loudness of sound gives stress to other people in family or in your career. So wherever you go, speak slowly, gently to the people. That is very, very essential. Then be polite. It is very essential, my dear friends, because those person who are polite, they are liked by many people. So it's very, very essential. Then be self introspective. Always try to identify if this thing is giving me stress. Am I responsible for this? What went wrong? You have to identify that thing. Then next is forgiveness. Whenever there is a stress causer or there is some situation, there is some incident, try to identify what it is. And if the mistake is of other person, try to forgive. So, and if it is your mistake, ask forgiveness. So it is both way, my dear friends. Then have helping nature. Then why helping others is good for your health? Because whenever you help somebody, it gives a lot of satisfaction. It gives peace of mind to you. So helping nature always helps to reduce stress. Those people who are stressed, they try to engage in social activities and they get a lot of peace. Have a self control. So there might be many stressors around you. So you have to control yourself, though there is a lot of stress around you. Vitamin C. What is vitamin C? The first is confidence, second is creativity, third is challenge, and fourth is character. You have to take all these vitamins daily. Have confidence in yourself, use your creativity to maximum level, accept and face the challenges, and keep your character in a way where society will accept it. Then next is think positively. This thinking 4P is very essential. The first P is point to point thinking. Second is pure thinking. Third is powerful thinking. And fourth is positive thinking. So if you have this 4P in your life, that think point to point, don't go here and there, don't exaggerate the things, don't think too much on small things. Pure thinking, always have pure thinking about anything. Powerful thinking, and the last is positive thinking. You all know all these things. So my dear friends, when you want mentally healthy, you want to lead your life with a lot of peace of mind, just think positively, go ahead, and always have that win-win situation in life, that yes, I will achieve something in my life. And be mentally healthy, stay safe, stay healthy. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and comment and share the channel. The name of my channel is Dr. Sandhya Khedekar. Bye bye.